Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we will discuss about a product which is called as Profitbotz. And before telling you anything about this Profitbotz software, let me make it very clear that I will get some commission if you buy the product from the link which is down below, because I am referring you to the product creator. That is why they are gonna incentivize me through a certain commission. Okay, so with that note, and before introducing you to the product, let me also make it clear that you will not have to pay anything extra from your pocket to get me commissions. You will pay the amount which is for this product, and I will get a commission out of that amount. Okay, you not have to pay anything extra. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as Profitbotz. I will tell you everything about this product. I will give you tons of bonuses from my side. Let me give you a glimpse of the product, the glimpse of my bonuses that I'm going to give you. So as you can see, there are tons of bonuses that I have prepared for you for this Profitbotz system. So we will discuss a lot, and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is Shubhadeep, and I am an affiliate marketer and a product creator at Warrior Plus. Consider kindly subscribing to the channel, like this video and press the bell icon, because there are a lot of products, a lot of softwares, a lot of training videos, a lot of things that are launching every single day which you do not know about, which can turn your future. So kindly consider subscribing to the channel so that you stay updated with all of the techie stuffs that are launching. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as Profitbotz. The Profitbotz, as you can see, it is a brand new email killer. It is a Facebook autoresponder which lets you blast any link to millions of people in seconds. Okay. Say goodbye to email marketing, having to build a list or pay for SMTP and autoresponder. Alright. So what they are giving you: unlimited cloud-based Facebook autoresponder, messaging machine, send any message with any link or offer to 3 billion people in 180 countries. So what they mean by send any message is, it is a customized message, any message that you can send. Any link means you can even send affiliate links through this product, because what I know, Facebook do not allow affiliate links. So with this app, you can send affiliate links as well, or offer 3 billion plus people in 180 plus countries. Okay, so it is pretty much simple. Get 98% open rate from people glued to their phones. So people are in this era are glued to their phone. So you can get a 98% open rates, because open rates in social media accounts are very much higher. Can instantly import unlimited contacts and start messaging in seconds. If you do not have any contact, then the software gets red hot Facebook leads for you on autopilot. Red hot Facebook leads means they will find leads or accounts from Facebook to whom you can message if you do not have any contact. If you are new to this world, you can say goodbye to boring email autoresponder with 3% open rates. 3% is not email open rate is not that much less. You can get a pretty much of 15 to 16% open rate, or means 10 to 20 or 30%, it varies, but 3% is very less that they have shown. Then you can build in Facebook SMTP servers and IP address for unlimited free Facebook messaging. Okay, build in drag and drop editor which ensures you create killer messages. Okay, then dedicated chatbots let you auto reply instantly to any customer questions. You can get a dedicated chatbot who can get your auto reply instantly. Okay, and commercial license built in means you can manage Facebook conversations and sell leads to businesses as well. Bulk sending to unlimited contacts on non-contact Facebook leads we generate for you. Message now, schedule for later, unlimited free SSL certificate encryption. Okay, included done for you. Affiliate offers to promote. They're having affiliate offers to promote also. Send any link to any offer to millions with one click. Then 100% UV friendly, no monthly fees, pay once only and use it forever. Double your money back guarantee. 24/7 customer support from marketing gurus. Okay. Then they are having a video also, which I'm not gonna play it right here because this will create this particular review video very much longer, so I do not want that. You can see this video if you come on this page through my bonus page. Let me show you my bonus page and let me show you my bonuses that I'm gonna give you if you buy the product from my link. Okay, so this is the bonus offer, the bonus page of mine. As you can see, there are Profitbotz. You can click on this link also, you can click on this link also. This is Profitbotz. Here there is a timer of this launch. If you come after this launch, then you have to pay higher price than which you are getting if you buy the product before the timer is 0. Okay, so I have briefed. What you need to do is simply click on any of these links which is stating click here to secure a copy on your bonuses, and you will land on this page. From this page, if you buy the product from here by now, then you can buy this product and get all the bonuses that I will be giving you directly transferred to your account. Okay, I have briefed our Profitbotz as well. Then the bonus number 1, as you can see, so if you buy Profitbotz, then the best thing to do is affiliate marketing. So the bonus number 1 that I'm going to give you is complete training, complete knowledge on affiliate marketing. If you are new in this industry, then I must say you must grab this bonus 1 from me, because this will clear your every concept regarding the affiliate marketing, how this industry works. Okay, this is what I'm going to give you for completely free. As you can see, there are 16 courses: $1 Million Toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cash act, commission blueprint, and lot. Commission toolbox, commission glitch, $100 CPA daily, instant traffic jacker. There are 16 affiliate marketing courses. The price is around $700. You will get completely for free if you buy the product right now from the link which is down below in the description. The bonus number 2 that I'm going to give you is again humongous. As you can see, the thing which I'm going to give you is complete traffic, and traffic is what very much needed right now, because the traffic is what the people is. Okay, if you have more visitors, more people to see your product or your offer, then there is much more likely your product will get sold. Okay, your product will get sold. So that is why the bonus number 2 will give you means a lot of traffic courses, a lot of ways it will teach you to get traffic to your offers that you will want to promote through affiliate marketing. So the bonus number 1 will teach you how to do affiliate marketing through means the best way to do affiliate marketing through Profitbotz. The bonus number 2 will teach you how to get traffic to your offers through Profitbotz, or there are a lot of ways, other ways as well, which you can use for promoting or selling your product. Okay, which is the bonus number 2. The price is $340 around, and you will get completely for free if you buy the Profitbotz right now from the link which is down below. Then the bonus number 3 that I'm going to give you is again money making courses. As you can see, 9 money making courses you will be getting for completely free. The price is $527, and there are a lot of things that you will be getting: 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays, and a lot of stuff you will be getting completely for free if you buy the product right now, act right now, and get this product from the link which is down below. So the catch is, before this timer hits 0, okay, click on any of these buttons right here which is stating click here to secure a copy on your bonuses, and you will land on the sales page of this Profitbotz. From here, if you click on any of these buy buttons, then all of the bonuses that I will be sending you, all of these bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let us see about this product and how you will get to see results through this Profitbotz software. Okay, step 1 you need to do is log into your stunning cloud-based software. There's nothing for you to set up, everything is done for you. You will see this Profitbotz also. This is the interior of this product. We will see it from inside. But before, let us see a little bit intro of this product. So the step 1 was log into your stunning cloud-based software. Step 2 is upload your contact list or let the app find red hot leads for you. Step 3 is relax as Profitbot blasts any link or offer to millions of people or for unlimited free traffic and 1000 plus automated commissions. Okay, everything is 100% automated for you. You can see Profitbot is so good, results are coming fast, and the proof is 9,220 visitors in a single day, massive 141,000 monthly audience, 590% increase in traffic, and a lot of commissions to make through this single software. Okay, so there are a lot of people who used this product and who found this product to be helpful. Let us see Jenny Ko, what she tells about this product. She is a Profitbot user and a newbie marketer. Profitbotz has is my highest recommendation using this very simple even for a newbie like me, it only takes a minute, using step-by-step Facebook autoresponder wizard and okay. And she made $1,650 in sales with Profitbotz and 10 out of 10 from me to Profitbotz. Okay, so there are a lot of things in this page, so I'm not gonna go any deeper in this page. Okay, so you can watch it and see everything in details when you land on this page. For this, you have to click in the description. From the description, you will land on my bonus page, which is this one. From my bonus page, if you click on any of these buttons, click here to secure copy any bonuses, all the yellow buttons, you will land on this page. Okay, from this page, you will see and you will learn a lot about this product. Okay, so guaranteed or money back guarantee. So you will be having a 30-day money back guarantee. Get Profitbotz now and enjoy it for 30 days. And if you do not feel that it is helping you out in any sense, then you can return this product and get your money back completely for free. And all of the bonuses that I have given you from my side, all of the bonuses will stay with you. You do not have to worry about the bonuses. You can keep it, all the bonuses from my side that I'm going to give you. Okay, now let us see this Profitbotz system from inside. This is the interior of this Profitbotz software. As you can see, there is the dashboard, support. You can create a support account and you can contact them. You can integrate your Facebook or other API channels. Comment feature, how to grow through comments. Then messenger tools, subscriber manager, live chat, bot manager, broadcasting, social posting, search tools, and a lot of stuff out there. So I'm not gonna go in the support section. In integration, you can integrate your Facebook and API channels from here. I'm not gonna go into it as well. Now let us see the comment growth tool, how and what it is. Comment growth tools. So you can also see right here the Facebook comment growth tools, the comment template, reply template, campaigns and reports, how it happened, all the campaigns you create, the reply templates and the comment templates. Okay, then subscriber manager. Let us see what it is. Subscriber manager, you can manage subscribers of this product. As you can see, scan inbox, bot subscribers, how much subscriber you have gained in 24 hours. I have not used it, so that is why it is showing 0. But when you will use it, it will definitely show you how much you have grown through subscribers. Okay, live chat, there is a feature for live chat, there is a feature for bot manager, there is a feature for broadcasting. As you can see, subscribers, there is a feature for bot manager, broadcasting, social posting and search tools. You can use the utility tools, which is called the search tools, also to get new subscribers. As you can see, website comparison, hashtag search through hashtags, a lot of stuff. There is a lot of things you can see from here, and I hope you will like this product. If you want this product, if you want to grow your list through Facebook, and this is a must try, because there is a 30-day money back guarantee. You can return this product and you can keep all the bonuses that I'm going to give you for lifetime with you. You do not have to worry about it. And if you want to try this product, then kindly click the link in the description, land on the bonus page of mine, which is this one. Let me again remind you for the last time what are the bonuses that I'm going to give you. So there is the 16 affiliate marketing courses, there is 6 traffic courses and 9 money making courses from my side if you buy this product. So I hope, and but the catch is again before the timer hits 0. Okay, so kindly buy this product before this timer hits 0. I hope you got it, and you will get to see this product. So when you land on this page, click on any of the yellow buttons, you will land on the sales page of this one. You can buy this product from here, early bird discount, and when you buy this one, then all the bonuses from my side you can see it on your account on Warrior Plus, because this is a Warrior Plus account. So you will find all the bonuses on your Warrior Plus. Okay, you do not have to worry about the bonuses, and you can keep all the bonuses with you without returning it back to me. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, if you have any questions regarding to the Profitbotz software, then kindly ask me in the comment down below. I will definitely reply you. And with that note, kindly consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, and share this video with others who are in this online world who want to grow their list. And I will meet you in the next video with another product. There are a lot of products which launches every single day. I will choose only the best products out there which will help you out, and I will create review videos regarding to that product. And kindly consider subscribing to the channel for that reason. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.